So during the review of change detection strategy implementation for ng-metadata, one of the contributors, Mario, suggested that I should consider using const enums in Typescript instead of pure enums. I knew what const enums does, but I was just curious if I can really leverage this in ng-metadata. So let's hop to code and see the outcomes. So here I have change detection strategy enum, which Typescript generates into this code. So it's a real object. Here I have its default change detection strategy, which under the hood uses reference to this enum. And again, here is the generated code, which uses the strategy again. So if we change it to const enum, as you can see, Typescript is removing those generated definitions for the change detection strategy object, and instead, across the project, it just directly references the value of the original enum. And those are a big benefits in matter of payload size downloaded by the browser. But it has one caveat. If we look at the consumer perspective, he wants to use change detection strategy within his component metadata decorator, but with current implementation, this will throw error or undefined because this doesn't exist, as we saw, because Typescript isn't compiling it. So how can we mitigate this problem and still get the payload optimization benefits and consumer benefits as well? Well, the change is very easy. We can tell Typescript compiler to keep those const enums by setting a special configuration flag. And under the hood, again, it will compile that enum object, but only within the definition file here in constants. But when it will be used, it will strip the reference and use directly the value. So now the user can safely consume our API via this enum to get the benefits of smaller payload size because those enums are not used by reference but intelligently compiled down by the Typescript compiler to just the pure number values.